In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use synced blocks in Notion. This powerful feature allows you to have content that's mirrored across different pages, making updates seamless and efficient. So, if you're managing complex projects or collaborative documents, let's dive in and explore how you can leverage synced blocks for a more streamlined workflow. First, you'll want to begin by heading over to your connected workspace in Notion, where you handle your wiki, docs, and projects. This is your command center where everything begins. Next, click on Log In. This step is pretty straightforward. Just ensure you have your credentials ready to access your Notion account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Notion home. For those new to Notion, this is the central hub where all your current activities and projects are aggregated, making it easier to keep track of everything. Now, navigate to a page of your choice. This could be any page where you wish to begin using synced blocks. If you're unsure which page to start with, think about where you would benefit from having mirrored content. Perhaps a project summary or a team meeting note. Once on the chosen page, it's time to create a synced block. Simply type in synced block in your Notion document. The / command is key here, acting like a magical shortcut that opens up a world of possibilities within Notion, including the ability to create synced content. After typing in the command, you'll notice a red box appear. This is your synced block, a dedicated space where you can add your content. Consider it a special area where whatever you input will be automatically reflected on other pages once linked. Add your desired content into the red box. This could be anything from a text note, checklist, or even images. The flexibility here ensures you can tailor the content as needed, depending on your project's demands. With your content in place, the last critical step is to click on Copy and Sync. This action links the block to other pages, making them update simultaneously. It's like having a live dynamic mirror, ensuring that any changes you make are immediately reflected wherever the synced block is present. It's a game changer for maintaining consistency without the repetitive hassle of manual updates. There you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully harnessed the power of synced blocks in Notion. This feature can significantly improve how you manage information across different pages, saving you time and reducing the likelihood of outdated information lingering around. Remember, like any tool, the more you use it, the more intuitive it becomes. Thanks for joining today, and I hope you find this feature as transformative for your workflow as I have.